Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. Unit testing requires a delicate balance to increase the benefits and tackle the limitations. The best unit testing features 4 characteristics that create this balance. 1. Isolated. Every unit test should be able to stand alone, meaning they can exist independently of other factors. If the test relies on other programs or systems to operate, then it can alter the results. 2. Fast. Consider the volume of code to be tested and how long it would take to perform enough tests to produce satisfactory results. A good unit test should take mere milliseconds to complete testing. Further, the unit test should not take long to create than the components you intend to test. 3. Consistent. Unit tests should return identical results every time. If you cannot repeat the test multiple times and achieve the same results, it is not reliable. 4. Self-checking. Manual and automated unit tests should be able to reveal the results automatically without human intervention. Your team should not have to sift through the results to determine if it's a yes or no. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.